Good morning, guys. Today is February 11th, is it? Oh my god, yeah, today's the 11th, February 11th, 2021. Sorry, I'm barely waking up. I'm not a morning person, so I'm trying to catch this flight on time. As you can see, I have like face mask. Yeah, I'm starting this new routine of like cleaning my face because I feel like health and beauty is important. Okay, well, I'm gonna start off my day right now. It's like 6:30. I should be out by the house by 8, and hopefully I should be catching the road to Florida. Say hi, Joey. Alrighty, we are going to Florida. I'm just gonna go pick up my mother because I'm gonna leave my car with her and be safe. I just left my doggy with a pet sitter and I miss him already. It's so sad. Being a dog mom, having a busy life, busy schedule, and next thing you know, I don't know, it feels like first day of school, but like leaving your kid at school. Oh man. But yeah, we're going to Florida. I'm excited. As you can see, I am driving. I need to get to Vista really quick, and then from there I have to drive to LA. Yeah, it's pretty hectic right now. I mean, it's like 9 a.m., so it's not that bad, but still. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to travel with me, and we're gonna go have fun and check Florida out. I've never been, so we're gonna check it out together and hopefully meet new people and hopefully hear new music. And yeah, for the ones that don't know what I'm going to attend, it's a music event, but it's more of a casual, like indoor, not a festival. Forgot the name of this place, but I'll record when it's the day of. It will be tomorrow, but I'm flying to Florida today to be out there by then. I'm like trying to concentrate on driving, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty exciting. I can't stop saying that because I'm pretty excited. Like, COVID has pulled so much that it's time to like turn up and meet people and learn something new. But okay, well, I will record when we are at the airport.
Prosecution.
Fuji.
More information can be found at lawa.org. Thank you. Burrito, squat burrito, 67.
What's up? We are here at the airport. I'm with my friend Pudgy. Say hi, Pudgy. We're having some drinks. We're waiting for our flight. Yeah, what time is it? Like 1:14. So by 3 we should be out there. But yeah, can't wait. Alright, so we are out here in Florida with my good friend. Where is she? Where you at? Oh, you're over here? With my friend Maggie. Hey. Say hi. And the homie. Say hi. Hi. You already know the vibe. We're gonna go to Factory 93 event out here. What's the place called again?
Vanguard.
I forgot. Where?
The Vanguard.
The Vanguard. If you guys are familiar, it's a nice spot. Never been, but I was told it was good. But yeah, we are excited. We are waiting for the guys to show up, and we're gonna start heading out. So I will see you guys when we're over there.
Yeah, so no, you to wear.
And as you can see, that was our trip. I am finally home with my dog. Say hi, Joey. He's kind of old, 10 years. The trip was pretty awesome, in my opinion. I got to meet John Summit. If you're watching this, what's up, dude? I'm really blessed and thankful to see you perform because you threw down a really cool set. And yeah, we are home. I'm chilling. I'm not gonna lie, traveling can get exhausting, but with this whole travel, I just realized how much I love it, and hopefully I can continue doing these vlogs, which I will. And it's just the whole COVID. It's been postponed with all of these events, but next I will be going to Electric Mile. If you guys aren't aware of what that is, it's drive-in experience, but musical event as well, a rave experience. With you can go with your family, with anyone. It's all ages. The only thing is you have to be in your car because of the whole COVID, but it's the experience. It's what it's all about. But yeah, I'm excited to record that, and hopefully I can show you guys what I do for work as well, because that's my other job. And I just love being in the entertainment industry, especially when it's music. So I am excited, and I am finally home, back to reality. And hopefully soon we're gonna create more videos, more vlogs, and if you guys wanna ask me questions or give me ideas on what my next video should be, please comment down below. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next one, but I just wanted to make this quick little video of ending this whole trip. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys can support me along the way with more videos coming up soon. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. So y'all have a great night and take care. Stay blessed. Peace.